Okay, so good afternoon, Rio and Arian. So this afternoon, I'd like to talk to you about the upcoming Senior High School Research Congress, or um, the sixth DLSU Senior High School Research Congress. So let me just share my, let me just share the document. So last week, I have received a letter coming from DLSU of a confirmation regarding the acceptance of our school as participants in the sixth De La Salle University Senior High School Research Congress. I think the ones that was given to you, no, the reason why it was rejected because the paper that was submitted before, I think by Rio and Kirat, was primarily for teachers, no, and they told us, or through me, that the students would have to submit in this research congress. And so let me just so it says here, okay, so we are now invited to do either of the following: paper presentation, poster, business plan, business research presentation, arts and design research presentation. But for us, we will be doing the paper presentation, and that's why I've asked you to be able to fill up the actual research paper format of DLSU. It's a very comprehensive format because uh, let me just give you an example, okay, on how they do it. Kaya ganun sila ka-strict because they will be able to put that in the repository of DLSU, the DLSU library. Um, this one. This is an example. Okay. This was in 2022. This is an example of the actual paper. Ayan. So there's an abstract, keywords, the introduction. Ayan, there's a figure on it, methodology. Actually, ang sabi doon sa ano, you are expected only of six, I think 6 pages eh. But here they actually change it, no? Ito, 8 pages to, and you see, yeah. In the references part, it's in APA format, okay? APA format, which means that it is alphabetically arranged. Ayan, no? And there is a hanging indent. Yan, nakahanging indent sila. Yan. So you submit it. I'm going to give you a copy of this one para for your reference. Although I think Rio, nasubmit mo na Rio, no? I checked it last night. Medyo okay naman, no? Um,
Opo.
meron ba dun sa part na acknowledgements? Meron, no? Wala.
Meron po, sir.
Meron, may acknowledgements doon. Ayan. So this is how you really do a paper, though, kasi for publication to. So hopefully when you go to college, when you go to the graduate school, you take up your master's, you take up your doctorate degree, when you submit paper for, let's say, publication, this is how they do it. So all the trainings that you have, okay, you are updated, no? So alam niyo na naman yung mga different parts. So it's just a matter of putting it all in this format. Okay? Bibigay ko yan, yung copy na yan. Okay, now, so moving on. So before submitting your entries, please be reminded of the following submission guidelines. So all of you are actually registered na, kayong lima. Rio, Arian, si Bon, si Kirat, at saka si Elijah, one grade 12 student, but four of you are grade 11 students. And meron kayong may mga teachers assigned to you, no? Uh, Sino ba? I think Rio, naka-assign ka sa akin. Si Kirat, I think is with Ma'am Lara. Um, i-check ko yon. Si the other teachers would be si Engineer Josephine Manalad, also si Sir Keith Makalintan, and si ano, si John, si Sir Aldrin. Kasi hindi pwede daw yung ako lahat na nakalagay doon. Pero although I'm the one who is your research advisor, so what I did was to ask the other senior high school teachers to be present, no? Actually, virtual tong mangyayari with the LSU. So at least virtual, we don't have to really go to the LSU. But this is a very good opportunity of seeing how the other students are able to present. Okay? Pero ano naman, in terms of your skills naman in doing research, I can say that you are in that level also with DLSU, no? So wag kayong mahihiya because you are doing so well. Uh, that's why I'd like you also to be able to present also with your research with yung mga ka-level na ganun. So it took some time, no, for you to be able to learn. Pero uh, you see now the product, no, that you have done before. You are actually going to present it. Sige, punta na tayo dito. So number one, submission of entries in the above mentioned Congress events is not required. However, all registered participants who want to showcase their capstone paper or projects are encouraged to submit. So that's why I'd like you to be able to submit your paper so as they can see how um, you are able to create your paper. So March 15 to May 15. Pero sinat ko yung deadline ng today so as you can submit it. So the Congress event details can be found in the Research Congress Premier. I think nasend ko na sa inyo to, no, Rio? Itong
Anong form po yan, sir?
um, yung primer, nasend ko ba sa inyo?
Yung format po?
And then yung DLSU primer. Wait. Hindi pa yata, no? Nasend ko na yata, Rio. Dali. Primer. Ito. Ayan, I have, pa-check Rio, ah. Ayan.
Oo, okay po, sir. Kita ko na po.
Oo, ayan. Aryan, I think sinend ko na rin sa iyo yun. Pa-check nga.
Sige.
Wait. Ayan ang gulo. Uh, Ayan. And then, that's the primer, no? And then all proposals must be submitted to online via the Animo repository .dlsu.edu.ph to create an account. So you'll have to create account with DLSU. Okay? I think sinend ko na rin sa inyo itong part na to, no? So what you need to do is to go, i-click nyo lang to, yung my account. You have to click. May problem ako dito. I can't. I'm having problems clicking this one. Pero you have to click on that. And then mapupunta kayo with dito. Ito. Itong yan. Repository ng DLSU. So home. Yan. So what you will be doing, okay? So punta kayo diyan, tapos you need to be able to create your account dito sa DLSU. Madali lang naman. You will have to give your email address, tapos yung password niyo. And then later on, isa-send sa inyo yung confirmation through your email, and then presto, you will now be part of the Animo repository. Kaya nyo bang itry na na mag-register ngayon, Rio?
Yes po, sir.
Can you try? Muna, i-open muna itong ano, ito yung nakikita niyo sa screen, yung sinend ko na yan. I-open niyo muna yan, and then click niyo yung my account. Yan. Pagka-click niyo my account, you have to sign up doon. Yan. So, yung email address nyo, tapos yung user, yung password na gagamitin nyo, tapos for confirmation doon sa email ninyo. Sige, let me know if na-create nyo na. And then, let me just go to uh, home. Napunta. Ayan. Kasi later on, pag nakapasok na kayo doon sa repository ng DLSU, the next step is for you to be able to look for, ito, punta kayo dun sa home, click home, and then you'll have to click itong conference and events. Sa conference and events, you have to look for the DLSU Senior High School Research Congress. Tapos, ayan, ilalabas kayo dito. You have to browse the contents 2024. Ayan. Actually, naka-register na tayo. I'm trying to check here. Capstone project. Hindi, ano na tayo ng registration form eh. Ah, okay. Actually, May 10 pero May 15 nakalagay sa atin. So, there will be a blind selection process of all submitted presentation papers. So, i-review pa yung mga sasubmit ninyo. Uh, and then, hopefully, whether it is accepted or not, it will be released between May 24 to 31. Uh, Pag okay na, you're part of the presenters. Ayan. Ang gagawin later, hindi ko maklik to. Wala. Papers or, ayan. I think, kay Rio, I think Rio, 21st Century Learning and Innovations ka. Hindi ko lang maklik to. I don't know why. Tapos, Arian, ano yung ano mo? Ano yung uling topic mo?
Cyberbullying.
Cyberbullying. Saan ka ba dito? Actually, pwede ka dito sa family relations, social structure, or sa gender human development and individual. Rio will be in 21st century learning and innovation. Tapos, si Elijah, I think UN SDG siya, dito sustainability environment. Si Kirat will also be in the 21st century learning innovation. Um, si Bon, I think, will be dito sa gender human development, no? Animals eh. And then, Na-try nyo na? Did you create already your account?
Yes po.
Okay ka na, Aryan? Nakapasok ka na?
Apo, sir.
So ano ka na? Nakapasok ka na dito sa sa account mo.
Apo.
Yan. Okay. What about you, Rio?
Okay na rin po, sir.
Okay na rin. Very good. So, sige. Sige, gawin natin to. Go to conferences. Punta kayo dun sa home. And then click on conferences and events. Tapos click yung senior high school. Yan. Paki-check nga if actually ito 2024. Paki-check kung nakiklik nyo nga tong code or wala. Hindi ko alam kung clickable to eh. Can you try? Na-check nyo ba kung merong let's say, submission dyan? Kasi sa akin wala eh. Can you check Rio and Arian?
Sir, parang ayaw po maklik no link po sa number 5.
Number 5. Anong link doon?
Yung ano po, submission form po.
Ito, school registration form?
Yung sa may ano po, repository po. Yung sa may step number 5 po.
Sandali. Nasa Congress ka na ba? DLSU Research Congress?
Opo, sir.
Saan dito? Sandali. Number 5. Tama ba to, Rio? Can you check yung kiniklik ko? Di ba ito? Call for presenters. Yun ba yun?
Sir, hindi po nag-switch yung sa may share screen po.
Sandali. Naka-pause pala. Wait. Share. Yan. Can you see the screen?
Opo.
Ayan. Dito ba yon sa registration guidelines?
Opo, sir. Gumana na pala po, sir, na ano na po, nag-load na po sa may screen ko.
Number 5? Anong?
Yung sa may ano po yun, yung sa may ano po, yung,
Sandali. Isa-stop. Can you, dali, gagawin ko kayong, sige, can you share nga, Rio?
ay, sir, separate phone po yung ano po. Send ko na lang po sa may messenger po.
Sige. Hindi ko makita yung sinasabi mo, Rio. Saan ba dito yon? Nasaan part? Arian, may access ka ba na mapapakita mo yung ganitong part ng Saan dito, Rio?
Uh,
May nakikita ka ba dyan, Rio or Arian, na pwede nyo isubmit?
Opo, sir, nandun po ako dun sa submission form na po.
Saan submission form? Ba't hindi ko makita? Submission form. Saan yun? So, ano yung nakalagay doon sa submission form? Sige, i-click mo.
Sir, share ko po yung screen ko.
Sige, sige. Ayan na. Naduling ako. I can't see it. Ayan. Who's sharing? Aryan or Rio? Aryan, no? Si Aryan. Ayan.
Ako po,
Ayan yan, no? Tama. Ba't ko nakita yan? Sige. Ayan, yan. Ayan yung fill upan ninyo, ha? So, research title. Tapos, proponent. Kayo yung number one, ha? Number one. Ayan, tama. Uh, Oo. And then, paper presentation. Tapos, school code. Sandali. Um, uh, Sir Rog, ano uli ang ating, yung school code natin sa DepEd? 406415. Ayun, it's 406415. Ay, hindi. Ay, hindi. Sorry. Ano yung code pala natin dito sa sa participants natin. DLSU, pakitype R yan. DLSU, RC, capital RC, underscore, 06, 206. Yan. So, DLSURC underscore 06, 20, tsaka 6. Ayan, sige, baba. School name, St. Patrick's School, Inc. St. Patrick's School, Inc. Capital I, small letter N, tapos C, period. St. Patrick's School, Inc. Yan. STEM. Yan. Tapos, sino ba ang mo? Aryan, sino ang inassign ka sa yung mo? Ang research advisor mo?
sir, wala ko pa pong masasabi sa akin.
Wala. Sino ba? Ah, kasi hindi ako ang pupwede. Kasi hindi daw pwedeng isang teacher. Um, John. Ayun. John, tawag dito, Cabello. John, hindi. Family name. Cabello, ano bang first name ni Sir Aldrin? Cabello, John Aldrin. Jan, tama ba? Hindi, Jan si Sir Cabello. Let me check kung magkamali tayo. Ayan, tama, John Aldrin Cabello. Okay, sige, drag it down. Tapos, ayan, abstract, i-click mo dyan yung, hindi, abstract. So, kung meron ka na, Rio, nakikita mo ba yung kay Arian?
Yes po, sir.
Oo.
Nag-follow na ako sa kanya.
Improve, I think kailangan, ika-cut and paste yata to eh. Can you click Arian Hindi, kasi pag click mo to, instruction yan for paper and abstract. Sige, i-drag down mo kasi pwedeng i-cut and paste yan tsaka paste. Yung keywords, andun naman yun sa abstract eh. Tapos sige, drag it down. Research team, yung may arrow do, i-click mo nga Arian, yung arrow pababa. Research team, yung sa'yo hindi, pwede ka na dun sa gender and human development. Kasi cyberbullying ka eh. Yan. Arian, nagawa mo na ba yung sa'yo? Arian, nagawa mo na ba ang mo?
Gagawin ko pa lang po, sir.
O gawin mo na ha. Kasi kailangan mo na isabit niyan kaagad. And then, hindi ka business presentation, hindi ka arts. Sige, drag it down. Hindi yan. Initial consent for publications. Yes, I agree na ipapublish yung paper mo. Statement of originality. Yes, I agree. Tapos, manuscript. Ito na yung Rio, natanda mo yung binigay kong format?
Yes po, sir.
O, ayan. I-upload yun. I-upload nyo yun dyan. Yung manuscript. I think, di ko alam kung PDF to or i-check nyo na lang kung Word or PDF. Tapos, ayun na, submit na. O, Aryan, gawin mo yan tonight, ha?
Yes po.
O, Rio, kaya mo na bang gawin later? Or in a while?
Yes po, sir.
O, tapos you let me know kung nakapag-submit ka na, ha? So, ang ilalagay mo doon na research advisor mo, ano ba? Sino bang research advisor mo doon? Kalimutan ko. Hindi. Ako ang ilagay mo doon, yun, Dr. Dari Dakanay. Or Dakanay Dr. Dari E. Okay?
Okay
Tapos, pag
po.
nasubmit mo na, let me know. Tapos, pag okay na yon, we will wait for the confirmation na sana matanggap. Okay? So, ayan, okay na ha. So, gawin nyo na yan today. Okay, do it today. If you can help also, Rio, si Kirat, no? Akala ko kasi I was trying to look for, hindi ko nakita yun Buti na lang nakita ninyo. Doon yung isa-submit yun. Okay? So you have to create account dun sa Animal Repository, tapos dun sa senior high school, tapos upload nyo doon. Okay? So alam nyo na yung category ninyo Tsaka yung school code is DLSU RC underscore DLSU RC capital letters yun underscore 0606. Okay? So I think okay na So please let me know, update me kung na-submit nyo na, and we will pray hard, okay, na matanggap yung paper ninyo. Kung hindi man matanggap yung paper, you will still be part of the conference para makita ninyo kung paano nagpe-present yung mga ibang mga estudyante, paano yung research nila. So you will also be able to learn also from the professors doon at saka yung mga ibang students. But hopefully, all of you your paper will be accepted. So let me know, let me know if you are able to send it already. I think that's it for our short meeting for the the 6th De La Salle University Senior High School Research Congress. Are you both excited?
Yes.
Rio? Kinakabahan ba kayo?
Yes po.
Ha?
Medyo po.
O sasabihin ko kayo unang mag-present Marami. The best schools will be presenting yung mga students. Ay pestry naman kayo. Kaya you have been taught very well naman. Okay, so yun lang please teach Kirat. Hopefully send ko tong link dun sa mga wala kay Elijah and kay Bon. O kung si Bon would ask question, please also help Bon. So yun lang. Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you po, sir.